Are common gallinules common? Have you ever spotted a bird that looks like it belongs in a wetland paradise? If so, you might have encountered the common gallinule. Now, let's answer the question, are common gallinules common? Common gallinules are indeed fairly widespread across North, Central, and South America. They thrive in well-vegetated wetlands, such as marshes, ponds, canals, and lakes. Their habitat preference makes them easier to spot compared to other birds in the rail family. You might notice them swimming gracefully like ducks or walking on floating vegetation thanks to their long toes. One of the first things you might hear before seeing them is their distinctive clucking and whinnying calls. These sounds often come from dense marsh vegetation, making their presence known even if they are not immediately visible. While they are common in many areas, their abundance can vary significantly depending on the region. In some northern locations, such as southern Canada and the northern United States, common gallinules migrate south during the winter months to find warmer climates. In certain states, however, their numbers are concerning. For instance, in Illinois, they are considered uncommon and even state endangered due to habitat loss and other environmental pressures. Massachusetts has classified them as a species of special concern, indicating that their populations are declining and requiring urgent conservation efforts. Common gallinules occupy a unique niche between the more secretive rails and the more social aquatic birds like the American coot. They are generally easier to observe because they often forage in open water or along the edges of wetlands. Their diet is quite varied, consisting of plants, seeds, insects, snails, and small aquatic animals. These adaptable wetland dwellers relying on dense vegetation for cover but are not as secretive as some of their relatives. Their ability to walk on floating plants and their vocal nature help them maintain territory and communicate within family groups during breeding. In summary, while common gallinules are common in many parts of their range, local population declines highlight the importance of wetland conservation. Their presence in your area can be a sign of a healthy ecosystem, so keep an eye out for these fascinating birds the next time you visit a wetland.